I honestly have never seen a brush like this in my life. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm pretty much in a food coma right now, but I really want to record this video for you all, so let's get right into the September Ipsy bag for today. So let's see what we have for this month. Ooh, okay. Oh, I'm pretty excited about this. So I pulled right out of the pink bubble wrapper this bag that has cute little lashes on it and these two masks from the company BRTC. One is the vitamin F velvet mask and the other is the vitamin C velvet mask. So the vitamin F velvet mask says that it's for oil and moisture balance, while the vitamin C velvet mask is for dull pigmented skin. I'm excited to give that a try. So going right into the bag, and the first thing that I see is by the brand Scone, and it's the Insanely Intense Tattooed Mini Waterproof Liner in Jet Black. Sorry, Bryce, my dog, is chewing his bone really loudly, so pardon that. We're gonna do a little swatch there, so let's see. So I like that it's a felt tip pen. You can see it dried down really fast into a nice matte black. Moving on to the next item in the bag. I see here it's from the brand Nomad, and it's called Around the World Positano Sunrise. And it says on the back, it's a light infusion powder, buttery, super blendable, blushing highlighter in shimmering soft peach shade with multi-dimensional prismatic topaz pearl finish. It's a really pretty pink shade like that. Let's get a little swatch. Ooh, it feels really buttery. That's really nice. So let's get a little live swatch of it here. Ooh, that went on really nicely. Moving on to the next item in our bag. I see there's Hanalei matte bronzer. It came in a little sample like this. Just popping it right open. Okay, it's like a decent size pan. I'm afraid to like tip it over, but there you can see here. I wonder if that's going to be a little too light for my skin tone, but let's give it a little swatch. Kind of feels a little dusty on the pan, but that's okay. Let's see what we have here. Let's swatch a little bit lower. So, oh my gosh. Okay, yeah, you can barely see that. We'll give it a try. I like that it is a cooler shade for bronzing, but I don't know if that's going to show up very well on my skin. Let's try. Okay, I'm going to try a little bit harder to like really get in there. Yeah, you can barely see that, but I don't know, we'll give it a try. It does feel really dusty. Maybe I can pass it on to someone with a lighter skin tone. Moving on to it is the last item in the bag, and that is, oh, interesting. It's a Luxy brush. It says good night on the brush, and as you can see here, it's like a flat circle brush. I really don't know how to describe that. I honestly have never seen a brush like this in my life. I'm kind of curious, like where would I use this? I'm trying to, no, I don't know, maybe I guess like buffing in the crease. I don't know. This is kind of interesting. If you guys know how I would use this, please comment down below because I am almost at a loss, but I'm happy to add another brush to my collection, I guess. I don't know. So yeah, I mean, the bristles feel pretty soft. No complaints there. I just don't know exactly what in what part of my face I would use this, but it's fine with me. So I guess that's it. I think my favorite items in this bag are the face mask and the liquid liner. I think those are the two things that I'm definitely going to get a lot of use out of. The other things, I'll see how I can fit in. I don't know, that shade for the bronzer was a little light, but overall, $10. I mean, face masks like this run maybe $4 to $5. A brush in itself is like upwards of $8 or $10. I mean, honestly, at the first of the month when it renews, I'm just like, okay, like it's almost like playing the lottery. Like, ooh, what will I get this time? So thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever you want to do with the video, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.